Example 5 is a very important example because now you're taking it to the next level. Earlier, you're just figuring out the missing angles or arc measures. But this one is different. It's not asking for an angle at all. It's asking for the value of x. Here's what's going on. This arc, I'm just going to use a symbol, plus this arc, plus this arc, all add up to make a circle, which is, of course, 360 degrees. So using logic, you can replace these symbols that I used with the expression. X plus 46 will go right here in my first space here. And then the next arc, x plus 59, and the third arc, x plus 90. So you see, using logic, we've made a sentence or an equation that is now solvable. It looks really long and complicated, but it's not that bad. Look, we have an x, and there's another one and another one. Let's put those together. We have 3 of them. So I'm just going to simplify those. I'm going to put them together. 1, 2, 3, 3 of them. And then I've got 46, 59, and 90. They're all positive numbers. So I'm just going to add those together. What would that be? 90 plus 46 plus 59. Putting those all together, we get 195. Positive 195. So all I've done is simplify my equation. Now look at the results. It's a linear equation. It's a 2-step equation, not very complicated at all. Let's go ahead and take 195 from both sides of the equation. So bring down the results. We have 3x equals 165. And now we have 1 step left. Let's divide both sides by 3. I was worried for a moment it wasn't going to go in evenly, but it does. So we get our answer, x equals 55. How do we do that? Using logic and algebra as our tool to determine the answer for x.